In this video, I'll show you how to save files in Photopea step by step. Whether you're editing a photo, creating a logo, or designing a thumbnail, saving your work correctly is important so you don't lose your progress. First, open your project in Photopea and complete your edits. Once you're ready to save, click *** file in the top left corner. If you want to keep all your layers and continue editing later, select **save as PSD***. This saves your project in Photoshop's PSD format, preserving every layer, text element, and effect. Choose the folder where you want to save the file, give it a name, and click Save ***. You can reopen this PSD file anytime in Photopea or Adobe Photoshop and continue editing from where you left off. If you only need the finished image, click *** file ***, then export as * instead of save as PSD. You'll see several formats, including PNG, JPG, WebP, PDF, SVG, and more. Choose the format that best fits your needs. For example, use PNG for transparent backgrounds, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for documents. After selecting the format, adjust the quality or image settings if needed. Then click **save **, choose your download location, and the file will be saved to your computer. To avoid losing your work, it's a good idea to save your project regularly, especially when working on large designs or complex edits. And that's how you can save files in Photopea quickly and correctly.